Barbie tings, that's Barbie tings. Barbie dream house, Barbie rings. That's Barbie beach house, Barbie Benz. Barbie white.
Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. I said that my last video was gonna be a get to know me video, but nobody asked me questions yet. So yeah.
My next video is gonna be a
unpackaging, unboxing video. Unpackaging because it ain't a box. For those of you that did watch my last video, thank you so much. If you haven't watched my last video, you should go watch it. Took a lot of guts, man. But y'all, my birthday is in like about like 2 weeks, and I'm so excited. Since I've been in college, this is the longest I've ever been with like consecutive braids, yo. Like I've never had braids this long in my life, and it's starting to get on my nerves, and I just want to get my hair done, cause that's whatever I feel like. I'm just cute. Like now I just feel like average, but them bundles, it's over. It's over. But anyways, okay, so let's get into the video. It don't need to focus anyways. Thumbnail. Okay, but I ordered from Bombtress, about a week ago, and well, I'm recording on my phone, and I don't really remember when I placed the order. But I know it came in like 4 days. Maybe I should turn off the TV. I'll get back to the video. I flew with me like very well because it has to go like through my school for mailing, and so she was making sure like they text and confirm the address to make sure like that's the right address and everything. And she told me to pick out 2 hairpins out of like a whole bunch. It was like silver and gold. So okay, now I'm gonna open this up. I'm so excited, y'all. This is my first time. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. So when you open it, you get this bag, like a little gift bag, that says, "Let me accompany you around. Want to be loved by you." So sweet. Aww. This is my first time ever purchasing 613 hair, y'all, and I'm so scared and nervous, but I gotta be on my best behavior, best bad behavior for my birthday. So we'll see how this comes out. This is what it looks like. It comes in little baggies and a hairnet. And I got a closure. My closure was 16 inches, and then I got bundles in 18, 20, and 22. This is the hairpins I decided I wanted. Cute. So sweet. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all the 16-inch closure. Yo, I'm so scared. What if I don't pull this off? I've been watching like YouTube videos to get some inspiration. Child. Okay. So when I open the closure, it's, you know, little baby hair. Wow, wait, I mean, let's see. Get any shed. No shedding from that. It honestly doesn't even have a bad smell, y'all. It don't. It don't have a smell at all. And I'm Bombtress. You go. The bomb, okay. And then I'll show y'all like one bundle, and I'll run my hands through it to see if I get any shedding. It's actually really soft. Like, it's not like, I've never used them before, but I was like, let me try it because I saw them on Instagram. So I decided to try it. I think I'm gonna be pretty satisfied. Like, it's body weight too, y'all. I'm sorry. It's pretty. Look at it. Oh my god, that's so running my fingers through that. I don't get any shedding. And they are pretty thick. And honestly, it's pretty like thick throughout. So excited, y'all. Stay tuned for what I'm gonna do with it, because it's definitely not going in my head like this. I'm sorry, I'm not that bold, but you'll see in my next video. Also, I still want to do a get to know me video, so y'all ask me questions. And that's it for this unboxing, unpackaging video. Like, share, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Killin_J. I can't wait, y'all. Okay.